welcome back to my channel. This is Ravikran Kasturi and today I am back with a ride review of Kia Sonet. Actually I am on highway right now. Now we are going to do the ride test. So quickly let's get inside the car and keep driving. This is the 1.5 liter engine CRD 1.5 liter diesel which produces 98 PS of power at 247 Newton meters of torque, which is very good. Basically this car has 6-speed transmission. Now let's get moving. So coming to the power is very low at the low end and it's continuing very good at the middle, and top end is very low. After 2000 rpm the power comes up. So after 2000 to 3500 the power is very good. You can cruise your car easily around any speeds. So it can go easily at a speed of 100 to 120 without any problem. Now I am doing it at a speed of 100, which is very good at 4th gear. Shifted the gear to gear 5 and the speed is currently 105, and shifted to gear 6 and it's very smooth on 6th gear. I can go all the way to how many kilometers using this cruise control. I can cruise this car at a speed of 100 easily because the suspension given on this car is very good. It's not too soft, not too hard, but it's somewhere in between middle to high end. So suspension wise it's good. It's mainly meant for road purposes. You can take on tours this car very easily without any problems. So no issues with the suspension. Power band is good. On the middle end it's very good. After 2500 rpm to 3500 and 4500 is a deadline. And let me take a U-turn here. Let me test the power once. Oh my god, the engine noise is very high on high rev bands. After 4000 you can hear a lot of noise. The insulation is very low on this vehicle. They could have given some more insulation to cover up the diesel sound. So one thing I have observed, the power is lacking in the low end and high end. The middle end is very good. This is for sure. And coming to the comfort wise, the seating comfort is very good in the both front seats, like driver seat and passenger seat. There is only some amount of leg space at the rear. If they have improved some more, that would have been very good. Coming to its mileage figures, the company is claimed to be 24 km per liter, and you can expect a mileage somewhere around 18 to 20 in city and about 20 on highway. So basically this is a new car. I cannot tell you the exact mileage. So after doing couple of kilometers I can tell you the exact mileage and everything. Each and everything will be posted on Instagram, so do follow my Instagram as well. And now I'm going to take off-road so that you can see the suspension also. So let me take the car into the side lane. Suspension is little bit on stiffer side, not too soft. And you got parking sensors as well, front and back, which is very good. You got front 4 parking sensors with rear parking sensors, which help you a lot in typical parking situations. You can see the suspension. I can feel little amount of stiffness, but it's comfortable. A 4 person can easily sit on this vehicle without any issues. So 5 persons will be finding little bit of problem, but 4 persons is sufficient for this. And coming to its main pricing, this car is priced at rupees 14,16,000 on road. So I am telling you the on road, the extra pricing is different, and this car has 6 models. So basically this is a diesel plus manual 6-speed transmission, and this diesel model also has IMD technology and automatic transmission. So basically this diesel has 3 models. So this is only diesel with clutch 6-speed transmission. So this car is priced at 14,60,000, and if you want to know about other car details you can contact the showroom and you will get the exact price details. So this car is in direct competition with Hyundai Venue, Ford EcoSport. So 10 to 15 lakh segment, this car is in direct competition with this. So overall I can say, if you want to buy a premium looking car, then definitely this is a car for you, because this car has loads of features like ventilated seats, automatic AC control, and automatic headlamps, and integrated DRL with turn signals, which is very good. So each and every element in this car is given such that this car gives you a premium look. So overall this is all about the ride impressions of Kia Sonet. And if you want more about this car, like infotainment display, you can comment me in the comment section. I'll make a dedicated video on that. And If you want to talk to me, you can message me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Ravikiran Kasturi, and those are watching my content for the first time, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will get my updates immediately when I upload a video. So see you in another video. Until then, bye. This is Ravikiran signing off.